Say goodbye. I thought I was rid of you. Time to blow up Earth with my PU-36 explosive space modulator. Try again. What is Duck Dodgers doing here? Whoops. Back to the old drawing board. What are you doing here? You are making me very angry. Yeah. Ouch! Yikes! Boom! Whoa! Yeah! Hey! Ouch! Yikes! Whoa!
I'd call that landing a success. I'll do my best, sir. Absolutely, Commander, sir. We are nearing our approach to the first planet, sir. Don't look now. But I think we're landing. That's all, folks.
Get that duck! That'll teach that varmint not to cross this space pirate. Yeah! Draw! You? Yeah! Charge! Dance, you varmint! Eow! Oof! Ouch! Yikes! Whoa! Ooh! I'm gonna stop you now. It don't add up. Not me, you idiot. Off to jail with you. Ooh! Quit your stalling. Say your prayers, duck. Stop there, you varmint. Rathin' frackin' risen knackin' rackin' backin'. What?
I don't think so. Yeah, that's him.
Docgers! Docgers!
You can depend on me. Sure, what do I care? Are you ready, Space Cadet? All right. What's holding up the works? Are you ready? Brother, indubitably, because no one knows his way around space like... Brrr. Sure is cold around here. Hankering for trouble, eh? Hello? Help! Hey, mother. Nice game. Oh, boy, I'm rich! Oh, no. Okay, have it your way. That's funny. I feel like someone's actually watching me. The lights went out all over the world. Yoinks! And away! Yoo-hoo, over here. You're despicable. You're despicable. You're hurting me.
With your help, I have been able to build the ultimate weapon, and now it's time to put it to the test, to destroy the very thing that has gotten in my way of conquering the universe, the Earth. Ooh. All right, Duck, you win. You found all of my energy atoms. I promise to never again plot to destroy the Earth. I need energy atoms. Won't you at least let me blow up Jupiter? Now! Thank you. Oh, yeah. Oh my, not again. Oh goody. Oh no. Get rid of him. Get rid of that duck.
Is that him?
Ah, that's not him.
I really showed him back there. Next time, Marvin will know not to try and fight with. Bye. Oops. Had the silly thing in reverse. Duck. Dodgers? Wait a minute. I'm not done yet. What's that? Aha! Aha! Ha ha! You ain't got a chance. Devilishly clever. Duck Dodgers in the 24th and a half century! Easy, stomach. Don't turn over now. Eek! 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 Are you forgetting about me? Gad, how do I do it? Grant me one last request. Gruesome, isn't it? Hey! Just a minute. I'll be right with you. Just wait a minute, will ya? I gotta catch my breath. Oh boy, I'm rich! I've never been so humiliated in all my life! Let's get organized. Let's get this straight. You move the controller, and I save the universe. Let's see now. Something amiss here. Look, just give me a chance, can't you? Oh, ow, oh. ooh, ow, ooh, ee, ooh, ow. Save me! Slight pause, whilst I adjust my accoutrements. Something tells me I'm not alone here. Oh, people call me Daffy. They say that I am goony. Just because I'm happy, it's no sign I'm loony-toony. All of a sudden, I don't feel like myself. Ta-da! This means war! All this hero stuff sure makes the duck tired. Very clever. Well, I guess he's had enough. What's the big idea? Woohoo! 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 Would it be too much to ask if we could make up our minds? Yeah!
You are en route to Planet X. There you will find Marvin for the final time. Can you do it, Dodgers? Okay, Space Cadet Porky. With your new promotion, you must save the Earth from that Martian. Please try to do better than the other guy did. Maybe it's time for you to find another job, Dodgers. Congratulations, Dodgers! Return home at once so we can begin the victory party. I have sent for you, Dodgers, because we are facing a crisis. Marvin has escaped, and you must follow him to the next planet. Earth is depending on you, Dodgers. We have learned that Marvin the Martian has built a huge cannon to destroy the Earth. He needs atoms to fuel his cannon, and your job is to collect them before he does. Can you do it, Dodgers?
I bet that's going to hurt. Delays, delays. Destroy the duck. Don't let him get through. Game over, duck. Get Duck Dodgers. I'm going to get you, Dodgers. What is he doing here? Yeah! Ouch! Yikes! Whoa! I do agree. How infantile. Isn't that lovely? It's a PU-36 explosive space modulator. I'm going to blow up Earth.
Oh.